How to find borders on Google Workspace sheets on hello guys, if you want to find this option on Google Workspace, click your application sheets and go to your document Excel and click your text and click this option format. Here you can find text and cell, so go to cell and here you can find borders, so click borders and here you can edit borders, so you can click this option or here this option or this option. Here you can find border styles and here you can find border color, so you can change color here. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.